So let's go to the next step, is creating the lighting. Okay, and now let's change to the original file first. Okay, this one is the original file. Okay, to speed up the rendering process, I will cut the global subdiv to 0.2 to make sure everything render faster. Okay, now let's continue with the lighting section. Here I use a very light dome and using our own creation HDRI. Okay, I already prepared the very light dome. Here I use a multiplier 12 as a multiplier, and first I will use the default option here, and let's add HDRI here. Okay, and open your material editor and drag and drop the Fury HDRI here, and let's select the HDRI. And yes, I have plenty of HDRI, and I will use the 7000 resolution first, so it's faster to do the render test. So, and make sure the mapping type using spherical. Okay, I will leave the gamma as it is first. Okay, let's see the HDRI here. Okay, I will show you the full bitmap using Photoshop here. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of dynamic color in this HDRI, versus you can have the orange color of the sun and the gray color of the cloud, and also the bluish color of the sky. This is very, very beautiful sky. Okay, so here I want to explain also about how the movement of the horizontal rotation. Okay, when you press the top view, okay, top view, this direction will be the starting point of your HDRI. So this one will be 0. Okay, this is the position of the sun on your HDRI, and will rotate clockwise. Okay, from my from the test, I can get the horizontal rotation around 320. Okay, let's do the test. Okay, as you can see, the result is pretty flat, but you can see the red reflection, orange reflection, and the orange color, a little bit orange color on the flower. So I think we need to strengthen the gamma to get a stronger light here. Okay, let's cancel here. Okay, let's save it first. Okay, we already saved it, and let's try using a gamma 0.85. Okay, I think the yellow color, the orange color is pretty stronger than before. Okay, let's check it. Yes, this one is stronger than before, but also the result is getting darker. Okay, so but it's okay, no need to worry. Let's leave it as it is. Now I will use a color correct to create to give a bluish effect on this HDRI. I prefer using color correct rather than tweaking the HDRI using Photoshop. It's easier to control here. Okay, so let's see here. Can adjust it. Okay, this look cool, right? Okay, let's try again. Different from the previous. It's already looks having more bluish effect. I will decide that this first fairy light dome will act as the GI. So I will uncheck the affect diffuse here. So the GI for the specular and reflection. Sorry. So this fairy light dome will only affect the sky but in this camera we cannot see the sky, and the affect specular and affect reflection on the glass and the water. Okay, so I create another fairy light dome here. Let's turn on. I check the invisible, so it will affect the diffuse only, so it will not affect the specular and reflection. Okay, I will reduce this to 8. Okay, see, the process also similar with the previous fairy light dome. So here I will let you see the setting of the second HRI, which is also the same sky, but I reduce the gamma to 0.6 and strengthen the red color. I got this amount. So okay, let's try to render it. The orange color of the sun looks a lot more visible in here and having a lot more orange color than the previous one. The previous one, if you not enhance the red color of the HDRI and you only reduce the gamma to 0.6, you won't be able to get this kind of effect. So we have to use 2 different kind of fairy light dome. Maybe some of you asking why I'm not using the store with irradiant map. For me, store with irradiant map only for when you connect your fairy light dome with the fairy sun. Here I'm not using store with irradiant map because I want everything from the HDRI, and I'm not going to use any infrared sun at all. Oh yes, before we go to the post-production process, I want to show you the final setting of this scene. I use a freezing filter, and I'm not using any inferior environment here, and adaptive DMC, minimum subdiv 2 and maximum subdiv 4, and I use the DMC sampler threshold, and there's nothing magical here. So for current preset, how to get this one is very easy. Just put it in medium and custom. For the test render, I always use -4 and -3, but final you can use this one. Just add more hemisphere subdivision around, probably. I think for this one is 50 is enough. So, and add LC subdiv to around 1500, and use this noise threshold and adaptive amount like this one. Okay, let's do the rendering. Okay, let's change the resolution to 2500.